Hey there, web developers. Today, I got some valuable insights to share with you on how to use keywords in web development to skyrocket your SEO rankings and boost your website visibility. SEO is the backbone of any successful website, and keywords are the building blocks that drive organic traffic to your site. In this video, we delve into the crucial role that keywords play in web development and how they can make or break your SEO strategy. One of the biggest challenge that web developers face is selecting the right keywords and seamlessly incorporating them into your website content. Without the right keywords, your website may be lost in the vast ocean of the internet, making it difficult for your target audience to find you. Let's explore the different types of keywords that you need to be familiar with. There are short tail keywords, which are brief and general, long tail keywords that are more specific and targeted, and LSI, which stands for latent semantic indexing keywords that are related to your main keywords. Understanding how these keywords impact search engine results is key to optimizing your website for SEO success. So now let's get to the good stuff. Key strategies for conducting keyword research. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush are invaluable to resources that can help you identify high performing keywords in your niche. By leveraging these tools, you can uncover hidden gems that will drive more traffic to your website and improve your search engine rankings. In summary, using keywords effectively in web development is essential for SEO success. By choosing the right keywords, incorporating them strategically in your content, and staying on top of keyword trends, you can attract more visitors to your website and ultimately grow your online presence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more web development and coding tips and tricks, and share your experiences with using keywords for SEO in the comment section below. Together, we can master the art of keyword optimization and take our websites to new heights. Thanks for watching and bye.